Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. The power of discipline, why it matters for everyone. Imagine you want to become a pianist. You love the sound of the music and you dream of playing beautiful melodies yourself. But how do you get there? You don't just sit down and expect your fingers to magically dance across the keys. You need discipline. Discipline is like a magic ingredient that helps you achieve your goals. It's the self-control to practice when you'd rather play, the focus to stay on task even when distractions appear, and the persistence to keep going even when it gets tough. But why is discipline so important? Think of it like building a bridge. Each brick you lay, each practice session you complete, gets you closer to your dream. Without discipline, the bridge remains unfinished, your goals unreachable. Here are just a few reasons why discipline is a superpower for everyone. 1. Achieve your goals, whether it's learning a new skill, getting fit, or getting good grades. Discipline is the key to turning wishes into reality. It helps you resist temptations, stay focused, and put in the consistent effort needed for success. 2. Develop good habits. Discipline helps you create and stick to routines that benefit you. Imagine waking up early to exercise, eating healthy meals, or studying even when you're tired. These habits, built through discipline, contribute to a happier and healthier life. 3. Boost your confidence. When you achieve something through discipline, you know it's because of your own hard work. This builds your confidence and self-esteem, making you believe in yourself and your ability to overcome challenges. 4. Improve your relationships. Discipline isn't just about personal goals. It also helps you be reliable, respectful, and responsible towards others. It shows them you can be counted on, strengthening your relationships. Remember, discipline is a journey, not a destination. There will be setbacks, but don't get discouraged. With consistent effort and a positive attitude, you can unlock the power of discipline and achieve anything you set your mind to. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your bridge to success, one disciplined step at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos. Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.